Hi guys, this is Harshla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Deepika Padukone X Levi's collection. I think they launched last year and they just recently launched their season 2, and I just had to get a couple of pieces and talk to you guys about it. I remember last year when they launched, like Deepika Padukone launched her line with Levi's. The whole promotional song was just so good. I don't know if you guys remember, but the whole Koi Yaha Aha Nache Nache, I remember sitting and like watching that video on loop, and I was a fan of like how well put together that video was, and yeah, the pieces as well. So like this time I thought of sitting down and just talking to you guys about my views and what I think about the entire line and the collection. So just sit back, relax, and let's just jump right in. So the very first thing that I have is a jeans right here with me. Now you guys know, and I know, all my pure shape body type girls, we talk about it all the time, how we face the problem of like not getting the right size, but here you don't have to worry. And that actually came as a surprise to me, because usually if you see jeans have like even numbers, so 26, 28, 30, and I'm a 27, so I struggle a lot, and I was so impressed when I saw this. So I actually got a 27 size. Like, can you see it? It actually says 27 on the tag, and that's a first for me, so I was pretty impressed. And now talking about the jeans, this is the jeans that I got, the very first one. This is pink in color and it's tie-dye. Like, pink is the color of the season, you know, the bright and like pops of colors. So yeah, pink is the color of the season. And then we have the tie-dye look, which is again so in trend for summers especially. And the jeans, oh my god, it fits me so beautifully. I think it's like a mid-rise or like low-rise. I hope the low-rise thing doesn't come back, but the mid-rise thing, it's fabulous. Like, I love the fitting. It's so comfortable, and you know how jeans can be very restrictive on your skin and body. Now with this jeans, that's not the case. I don't even feel like I was wearing like a jeans. I felt like I'm wearing like any other, like a normal trouser. It's so good and so comfortable. I can literally see myself wearing these a lot, even though it's a little out of my comfort zone. I don't really like experimenting with colors so much, but with these jeans and the comfort, I'm all for it. It's so beautifully done. Like, love these jeans. I also really like how I think the fit is like loose straight, and that's just my vibe. I like loose and baggy pants and like balloon fits, so this is just like right up my alley. Next up, I got, when I saw this actually did remind me of Deepika Padukone, and I do know that the whole collection is kinda like her take and probably her personal style. So I don't know why was I so surprised. Actually, I wasn't surprised, but I was like, damn, that's just something. The piece that I'm talking about is a denim trench coat. Now I have seen Deepika wear denim trench coats and trench coats in general a lot for her airport looks. So I wasn't like surprised. I was like, oh, this is so Deepika Padukone. So this is what the trench coat looks like. It's in the same material and the same color, and the whole look is just same. So this is like a cord set maybe. I'm just wearing like a normal ganji inside, and this actually can make for a good airport look, especially if you're traveling to somewhere cold. This would be so good in my opinion. So yeah, this is what the trench coat looks like. I think I can definitely see myself wearing this with the dress as well, like a really nice bodycon cami dress, and wearing it with the trench coat would just be something. And this is quite a statement, honestly. Like the trench coat with like pink and the tie-dye going on, it's quite out there, and I love it. I really like what they have done with this collection for sure. I know I'm just like 2 pieces in, and we still have a couple of pieces to go through. Next up, I have 2 tops. Now I did get like 3 tops in total, but I have 2 tops that I want to talk to you guys about, because that's literally my jam. You guys know I literally live in Ganji. I had to get some more. These are not really ganjis though. These are like a proper like a ribbed sleeveless tops. Very nice and very well made. You guys know, yeah, as I said, like you guys know, I'm always in ganjis. When I saw this and when I felt it in my hand, I knew that this is such good quality and like well made tops. Like, it's not something that you would get it at like Zara or H&M. It's so well made. Now I got these 2 tops. This is in a blue color. You know, blue is also kind of the color of the season. I'm wearing one right now, so I got this. And the next one that I got is in this neon green color. I really like both of them for sure. I know I've said it before, but oh my god, I'm so impressed with the quality and how well made this feels. It doesn't feel like something that you'll wear and like 2-3 washes may or like 5 washes may it's gone. I don't think so. That's what this feels like. Even on the skin it feels so good, and when you wear something good, you know, which is like well made, you feel instantly confident. At least that's the case with me. So if I'm wearing this, I'm obviously going to like, you know, feel good, and then I'm gonna look good. So you know, it's that cycle. So I love both of them. With this I got another tie-dye pant, and again, oh my god, I'm in love. I did not expect these to fit me so well. You guys know I struggle with jeans so much, but I'm just impressed with these jeans. Now these are again like high loose flare, so these are like high-waisted, and then they're loose, and then you get a flare, which is great for my body type. Or if you are a pure shape body type, you are going to love these jeans, because or just this style, I feel, which is high loose flare. Go for it. It definitely balances out your entire body and the silhouette, and I think that's the whole point of clothes and just the pieces that you pick, to kind of find and strive for that balance, be it in our diets or in our clothes. If you have that perfect balance, your outfits are going to look great, you are going to look great, and it's the same with diets as well, right? If you eat well, you're going to look great. So the flare at the bottom and the high waist thing definitely balances out my huge hips, and I'm not complaining. I am in love. I love this. Next up I have these jeans, and these did not really fit me. I should have sized up for sure, which I do usually, because these are 70s high slim straight, and whenever I go for like something that's high rise and like straight fit, I like to size up. So I did not do that here, and I should have, since I do have like heavier hips. It does fit me, and it even comes up, but it doesn't like really, I can't zip it. So I understand there's not a lot of room around the waist area, and I'm not complaining, because I know that that's my body type, and I know that if I were to size up, I will get my fit for sure, and I will get my size for sure. So I should have really done that. But otherwise, this is a great jeans. This is not really denim. This is just a very different color. Like it's kind of like has like a yellow hue to it. It also is very like green, and it kind of also looks blue. So I don't know, but this is what it looks like. I think this is what she wore or has worn in a lot of the pictures as well for the season 2, these jeans and the denim jacket that I'll be showing you guys. But yeah, this is what the pants look like. I really like them. You should have sized up, and if you are planning on getting these jeans, which are 70s high slim straight, I would highly recommend you guys to size up for this one if you have a pure shape body type. Okay, if you have your normal body type, yeah, just go for your size and I'm sure you'll be good to go. But with pure shape body type, it is a little bit of struggle. I can understand. Next up we have a top. Love this top. Okay, like this is my jam. I love wearing something that's like pretty baggy, oversized, and this is just that. Very, very nice. It's kind of tie-dyed. I don't know if you can see or you can tell. Yeah, I think you can tell. It's in this like really light green color, like the tie-dye thing, and yeah, this is made up of cotton, and it's also made in India, which is amazing. I'm in the size small, by the way, for the tops, and 27 in the jeans. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty baggy, and it hits me at my waist, and very, very nice. Something that I can see myself wearing a lot during summers because of the huge armholes as well. What we strive for, especially during summers, to have outfits that just like help us breathe. Lastly, I have a Levi's jacket, like a proper Levi's denim jacket, and oh my god, I love it. This actually feels like denim. Okay, like it's heavy and it's well made. We have got the metal buttons, and we have got a really, really nice fit. I love this. Again, I almost felt like Deepika Padukone while I was posing, because I think this is what she's wearing, the whole set, I feel. So yeah, look at it, so gorgeous and just so beautiful and just so big. Love it. I love how denim jackets make you feel all masculine and like just brings out that masculine side of you, which all of us do have in us. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I love this as well. So overall, I think the collection is great, and most of the pieces did fit me. I'm impressed with the whole 27 thing. I could find my exact size. Also, the colors are great. The fit is great most of the times. If you go for like, it depends on like a personal style as well. Like I prefer to wear something that's baggy and loose, and I could get those pieces. Just one problem that I had, but I think that I can't really say that it's Levi's. I think it's just that my body type is such that I do have to size up in couple of pieces, and whenever it's a straight fit jeans, I have to size up. So other than that, I think this is a great collection, and it's in stores right now, so you can definitely check it out. I love each and every piece that I showed you guys, and I can't wait to wear them and style them. Also, let me know if there's anything specific that you guys would want to watch in the comment section below. I will make sure to do that. And yeah, that being said, I'll definitely see you next time. Bye.